If you've been searching for a cloud couch that's actually comfortable and works well in smaller rooms, this one is definitely worth a look. The 10-inch thick cushions combine plush foam with pocket springs, so you get that soft sink-in feel without worrying about sagging over time. The fabric is incredibly soft and cozy, giving the sofa a high-end look while still being easy to clean with a damp cloth. With the extra deep seats and the weight capacity being about 400 pounds per seat, there's plenty of room to relax, whether you're curling up for a movie night or stretching out after a long day. The ottoman is movable, so it lets you customize the layout to your room. You can use it as a chase or a footrest or even just a spot for a tray. It's going to arrive in 2 boxes with everything you need for assembly. No extra tools are needed. The cushions, they will come vacuum sealed and will fully expand within 24 hours after you unpack them. It has a solid hardwood frame with reinforced iron supports that keep everything sturdy, stable, and prevent any squeaking. The one that I'm showing in this video is the dark gray option. All of the cushions completely unzipped so you can easily wash them, and they just Velcro into place. The ottoman has the 2 Velcro pieces and it keeps it in place really well. Here is everything laid out after unboxing it all. Unboxing and assembly probably took us maybe 45 minutes. It comes with this little red razor blade for opening all the plastic with a protection on there so that it doesn't rip anything. The cushions will start to expand as soon as you rip the plastic. This is one of the seat cushions and you can see the Velcro piece on the back. It's just covered. And then this one is the ottoman. These are the backrest pillows and you can see that zipper along the back. Here is all the hardware. Setup is super easy. You're just going to attach your brackets and then those brackets just slide right into one another. The backrests have brackets that just slide right into the base of the seat cushions. The armrests just screw onto the sides of the sofa. Once you have all your brackets on and the armrests on the side, you'll just line up all your pieces and slide the brackets into one another. Here is the backrest going on. It just slides right in, super easy. And once it's on there, it's actually secured really well. The legs just screw right onto the bottom, super easy. And then all of the cushion support pieces just attach to one another. And then you'll just start peeling off all your Velcro to the cushions and putting those into place and you are pretty much done. Very simple and easy setup, which I definitely appreciate. Here's a quick close-up look of that zipper on the back of the backrest pillow. The zipper is really good quality and the cushion covers are easy to remove. If you're looking for an oversized sectional that's soft, supportive, and built for everyday family life, this cloud couch is an excellent choice. We've been super happy with it. This was sent to me by the brand so that I could provide my honest feedback. So a huge thank you to them. We absolutely love the way it looks in our living room.